This video will show you how to send multiple PDFs as one attachment in Gmail. So if you go to Gmail and you click on Compose, you can then write out your recipient, your subject, and your email. Now once you've done that, if you go to the attachment icon at the bottom, you then select your PDFs and then click Open, you'll know that it will attach each PDF as a separate file. So what you need to do is combine them. So go to Google and just type in combine PDF. You can choose any of these, they're all going to be free. I'm going to use ilovepdf.com. We'll click on it, we'll then click select PDF files. You can then highlight all of your PDFs and then click open. Make sure you have them in the correct order. We'll then click merge PDF in the bottom right, and you can then download that merged PDF. That will add it to your downloads. From here, what I would do is rename the PDF and just preview that everything is merged and you've got both of the PDFs in one. Now we can go back to emails, we can go to the attachment tool, you can then find the PDF, and that is how you can send two PDFs as one attachment.